Hello friends, welcome to Mimi's workshop. If you are new to my channel, please press the red subscribe icon below and click on the bell symbol for regular notifications. Today I have come with a recipe which is my mother's special and I'm sure you won't find it anywhere. So watch till the end for this unique and brilliant recipe. For this, in a bowl, we will take chana or cottage cheese, add maida or all-purpose flour, baking soda and milk to it. The recipe of cottage cheese or perfect chana is given in the description box below. You can adjust or play with the quantity of maida and milk to get a thicker consistency like this. Now we will heat oil and make fried little balls out of the batter we have made. Meanwhile, in a separate bowl, we shall put water on heat for the sugar syrup and subsequently add sugar to our taste once it shows up the first boil. Now, as the oil has heated up, we shall start frying the balls one after the other. Soon, when they take a lovely golden color, we will take them out of the pan. Likewise goes in the next batch of batter in the oil. These balls are extremely soft from within and crisp from outside. For more precision about the consistency of the batter, I have scooped out the remaining of it and released them in the heated oil like this. In the other side, our sugar syrup is just ready. You can add cardamom or elaichi powder for more flavor in the syrup. We will now put off the flame and add the fried golden balls in it. Rest it for at least 1.5 hours so that the balls can absorb the sugar syrup to its core and then enjoy it with your family, relatives and friends. If you have liked my recipe, do not forget to like and share it. Post your valuable comments in the comment section below. I'll get back next time with another innovative and shortcut recipe. Till then, take care. Goodbye.